Certainly, sausage and mushroom arancini are a delicious variation on classic Sicilian arancini. Here is a recipe to make this flavorful snack. Ingredients: 200 grams risotto rice, such as Arborio or Carnaroli, 500 milliliters meat or vegetable stock, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 garlic clove, finely chopped, 100 grams sausage, crumbled, 200 grams mushrooms, such as button or porcini, cleaned and cut into pieces, 50 milliliters white wine, 80 grams peas, fresh or frozen, 1 sachet saffron, 100 grams Parmesan, grated, 2 eggs, flour, as needed for breading, breadcrumbs, as needed for breading, oil for frying. Preparation: in a large skillet, sauté the onion and garlic in a little oil until translucent. Add the crumbled sausage and cook until browned. Stir in the mushrooms and cook until softened. Deglaze with white wine and allow it to evaporate. Meanwhile, cook the rice. In another pan, lightly toast the rice without oil. When warm to the touch, begin adding the stock a little at a time, ensuring the liquid is absorbed before adding more. Halfway through cooking, add the peas. When the rice is al dente, stir in the saffron and Parmesan, mix well, and turn off the heat. Spread the rice on a flat surface, such as a tray, to cool, stopping the cooking and making it easier to handle later. Once the rice and sausage mushroom ragu are cool, start shaping the arancini. Take a handful of rice, flatten it in your hand, place a spoonful of the ragu in the center, and close the rice around the filling, forming a ball or cone. Dip the arancini first in the beaten egg, then in flour, and finally in breadcrumbs, ensuring they are well coated. Heat plenty of oil in a skillet or deep fryer and fry the arancini until golden and crispy. Once fried, drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. Trivia: arancini are traditionally a Sicilian dish and are prepared in various shapes and sizes depending on the region of the island, often during holidays or as street food. Their shape can also be influenced by the type of filling used.